So what happens next now that Cordarius's mother has been charged? Jason Freund spoke with a local attorney about the charge against her. Jason, what could she be looking at?
Well, Crystal, she could be looking, and she is currently being charged with exploitation of a disabled individual. That means that police had enough evidence to believe that she had been using him for her own personal gain. Cordarius was over 18, a legal adult. But he was a legal adult with disabilities, which means Charlotte still had responsibility over him.
If there's a legal duty for a person to act on behalf of, someone else, such as in like a guardianship situation, even if they're over 18, right, then they have a duty to protect them.
But what does the charge exploitation of a disabled individual mean? Local criminal defense attorney Tyler Mayo explained it from a legal point of view.
Illegal or improper use of a child, elderly individual, or disabled individual, or of the resources of a child, elderly individual, or disabled individual for monetary or personal benefit, profit, or gain.
The charge hasn't been in the books long, so not many people have been charged with it across the state of Texas. But according to police, it still applies here.
It's a fairly new one. And when I say fairly new, the law was passed 12 years ago. So as far as, criminal laws, right, it's newish.
Now Charlotte could be looking at facing some hard time behind bars.
Obviously, depending on criminal history, things of that nature, just if no criminal history, first-time offense, you're looking at a minimum of 2 years in prison, all the way up to 10 years in prison. It's a third-degree felony.
Now, if it comes to it, Charlotte would still be allowed legal representation in a court of law. Crystal?